How to get shaders in Minecraft PS4. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding acquiring shaders in the Minecraft on the PlayStation 4 and whether it's feasible. As you can see, I'm recording on my PC with the ray tracing in this RTX capable world. Many have pondered the possibility of utilizing RTX or standard shaders in the Minecraft. Historically, there have been various methods to incorporate the different resource packs containing shaders or even ray tracing. However, on the PlayStation 4, downloading modes beyond the marketplace is unattainable. The marketplace lacks resource packs or modes that can integrate the shaders into the game. The absence of the shader support dates back to the era of the Render Dragon, making it impossible to introduce custom resource packs on the Minecraft for the PlayStation 4. The same holds true for the Switch and Xbox versions, where there are workarounds most have been patched or are incompatible with transferring resource packs to the PlayStation 4. One potential approach is to host a server on your PC with a custom resource pack featuring ray tracing or shaders. Then connect it through the LAN on your PlayStation. Although not foolproof, this method may allow you to utilize the resource pack on your PC and load it to your PlayStation 4. The intent of this video is to inform viewers about the challenges of using shaders in the Minecraft on the PlayStation 4 and why the developers opted against supporting various shader types and resource packages. This was all about getting the shaders in the Minecraft PS4. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.